Good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining us with today for Maxbyte Industry X.0 Product Conclave 2024. So, in this session, we will talk about value-based delivery and how it will help the manufacturers and industries on adapting the technologies and how it will bring the value realization during and after implementation of Industry 4.0 use cases and solutions. So as per the studies and reports from the World Economic Forum, so Lighthouse implementation factories attain the major maturity level, and it has like huge business benefits, and also in both in the adoption and also like value realization, both in tangible benefits and on the return of investment. So as you all aware, Lighthouse factories are the leaders in using the Industry 4.0 technologies to transform their factories, value chains, business models in order to attain the financial and operational returns. So as you can see, the key parameter or key metrics on the different productivity, speed, customization and agility, and also you can able to see the different metrics like the overall plant improvement and productivity increases, OEE, energy consumption. So those data, it's like a drastically to improve on the digital KPIs. So with these, just implementing a digital monitoring solutions will not going to bring any like a tangible benefits, but yes, it has some intangible benefits like some data decision making, and also we can have like a clear visibility and transparency across the factory shop floor on what is happening, why it is happening, and we can able to have the real-time data monitoring and alerts and notifications. So next, so previously Jagdisha told about like the adoption challenges on the digital transformation solutions. So these are all some of the major or challenges on the digital adoptions. So as per the survey, like only 16% of organizations succeed in their digital transformation initiatives and the transformations. So due to the poor adoption, so major failures have happened. So as you know, like here you can able to see the major things are related to the competency, skill sets, limited resources, lack of training. So these are all the major challenges on the adoption of the digital transformation technologies. So as technology advances, so it's the organization must embrace the digital adoption, and it should be integrated and it should be aligned to the entire employees. So majorly like from the implementation phase itself, we need to involve from the shop floor to top floor management, providing key trainings, user manuals, standard operating procedures, training contents in order to align with their organization vision, so that there will be a successful digital transformation journey. So this is like one of the example on the adoption of the traditional companies on an unplanned event and like a transformation factory on the unplanned event. Let's take an example. Like if there is in a traditional factory, if there is a maintenance breakdown for an unscheduled maintenance breakdown, what currently the operator will do, he will go to the supervisor and notify about that breakdown, and the supervisor need to inform the maintenance engineer, and they need to take the actions, and they need to collect the data for what is the issue on that particular machine, and you can able to see the time taken for completing the activities. It is like huge, and it may be its productivity loss will be there, and there is a lead time on the delivery. So these are all the different factors affecting on the traditional companies. So when we go to the agile companies, where you can able to have the monitoring solutions in place, immediately alert and notification will be sent to the maintenance engineers, and they can able to take immediate actions on like what are all the proactive solutions can be provided for the maintenance breakdown, and you can able to have like a latency can be reduced, and it can be time saved and also increase in productivity. So with this, as I told, just implementing the digital monitoring solutions will not bring any intangible benefits and ROI. So we have built like a value-based delivery framework It's like a step-by-step approach where you can attain to the maturity level and the value can be realized. So the step one is assessment and roadmap. So during the assessment and roadmap, we will be doing the detailed assessment of the factory shop floor. We can understand the challenges and pain points in the each functional areas, and what all the solutions or use cases can be provided to address those challenges. We can implement those solutions phase by phase, and we can do in the roadmap we will be providing like what all the different use cases can be implemented to the respective areas, and what will be the budgeting and funding required for the implementation, and what will be the return of investment and business benefits. So all those things will be covered in the assessment and roadmap. And the next thing is on the design and implementation. So using a structured and systematic architecture, we will be able to have the value realization. So it starts from the shop floor layer, from the asset layer to the communication layer, then we have the platform layer, application layer, and then we have the user layer. In all these all these layers, we need to have like a structured architecture. We need to consider all the infrastructure, both on the OT side and IT side, and what are all the security measures need to be taken. So all those designs and implementations need to be done on the architecture level itself. So it will provide some visibility to the organization, like what are all the steps we need to do. We can have some realization over there. And the next third part is on the real-time data analytics and diagnostics, where we can implement some monitoring solutions like production monitoring, condition monitoring, quality monitoring. So those kind of solutions can be implemented. So the from the shop floor management to the top floor management, they can able to have the real-time data visibility, and as I told, what is happening and why it is happening in the soft floor, they can able to address it. Then the fourth one, the important point, where with the large number of data, how we can make some decisions through the data driven process. Like we can implement the root cause analysis, corrective action, preventive action, lean 4.0, Kanban solutions. With the data, we can approach those kind of data driven policies. Will be providing like other kind of value realization. With those things, we can again implement like advanced technologies on the autonomous side, robotics and automation, sustainability. So those solutions can be included, and it will be provide like a more kind of value realization. So in the level 6, you will achieve like a 70% of value realization. But it should not stop there. It's like a cycle. You need to do like a continuous improvement process, and effective leadership from the management team. They need to drive it. And based on that only, you can able to achieve 100% of value realization and business benefits. So after that, the next thing is on the way forward, like a synergy between the human and automation, where Industry 5.0 comes into picture. So this is like a step-by-step framework where the organization can get the tangible benefits on the return of investment. So we can show one example. So this is for one of the automotive component manufacturing industry in US. So first we have understand their pain points during the assessment and roadmap itself. So majorly they can able to produce like 5,000 units per day. So they have like 100% capacity. But their major pain points is, first point is plant underutilization. Then the quality rejection is very high, and there is no monitoring and completely manual. So we have like a detailed assessment, and we have designed a structured architecture from the shop floor level to the top floor level, and we have implemented as a first phase like the OE and the condition monitoring solutions. So this we have provided as a web application and a mobile app. So it is deployed in the chairman, executive director, and the top management level. So on daily basis, the chairman will look into the dashboard, and he will be providing the different decision making on the data, and start improving the utilization from initial 25%. Now the utilization is up to 90%. They are utilizing the plant. Then with the data, they have like a more quality rejections. So the reason is like from the condition monitoring, they are using like different melting furnaces, baths, other oil suction pressure, so those things. From those data, they have some abnormal data, so we have implemented like condition monitoring solutions where it will give the alert and notification for if it goes beyond and lower the threshold limits. So based on that, the maintenance team addressed those issues, and that is with the data we have implemented those parts, and we identify the root cause analysis and the corrective action and preventive action, and we have implemented furthermore in phase 2 like preventive maintenance, quality assurance, like checklist, SOPs, all in the digital format. So based on that, they can able to have like a quality rejection, quality acceptance criteria has improved from 50% to 70%. So as a next phase, we are going to implement some advanced technologies like RPA integration with their ERP system for their quality controls, and a visual inspection, camera-based inspection system for the quality control. So all those things are in the process. So hopefully by end of this year they can achieve their value realization up to 70%. So here you can able to see some of the tangible benefits. Their yield quantity increases from 25 to 90%. Quality percentage increases from 50 to 70%. So it is, as I told, it is not only like the process or the data, it is from through the effective management and leadership. So this data-driven process will bring more value-based delivery. So our offerings on this entire value chain from discover to scale up. So as first session, Vishwa talked about the assessment and roadmap. So before that, we have the awareness and envisioning session. So we have a lot of center of excellence across the globe where you can able to go and see what are all the digital solutions we have implemented on those center of excellence. And the assessment and roadmap, we have the different framework on the ITTA, ACA tag, Siri assessment we are following. And the real-time data and data analytics and diagnostics, we have different solutions like production monitoring, condition monitoring, quality monitoring, digital job card, supply chain analytics. So those kind of solutions we are providing. And for the important part on the data-driven process and also the data decision making, we are providing the KPIs and the COPQ, Kanban, Lean 4.0. So those kind of solutions also we are providing. And the last part on the improve with technology on the new technologies, robotics and automation, sustainability, and furthermore digitalization offerings we are providing. So as this is not like a one-man show on the complete digital transformation and adoption. So we have like a different partner ecosystem for delivering those the things to the clients and make value realization for the customers. If you have any questions.
Thank you. I'm Kalidas from Morgan Advanced Materials. Yeah. As part of thank you for the presentation. As first step is for the digital transformation is the training and development of the shop floor employees, all the levels from the shop floor to top floor, as you said, and the previous presenter also. So what kind of training modules are available to improve their shop floor employees?
Yes. So like if you take the digital transformation, there are like industry 4.0 concepts from the basic level to the higher level. We have like different concepts taking from OT integration, OT-IT integration, then application configuration, platforms, and we have the data analytics. So we have like a different type of training programs are available. So based on the roles from shop floor to top floor, from the operators, supervisors, line managers, then we have the production heads. So based on their levels, we will be training those applications, and we will be providing, we have like a center of excellence where they can go and do the hands-on experience, and also we have like online courses. We have a factory science team where they can able to provide different training programs, contents, so certification courses are available.
Yeah, thank you.
Hello, yeah. I'm Mahesh. I work for a personal care company, and my just a thought, or maybe you can suggest me, what I'm looking out is, you mentioned a couple of KPIs like productivity, yield, yeah. OE. So do you have any benchmarking and then comparison, and let us know where we stand and what level of improvement do we need to have, or yeah. Maybe we think we are better, maybe we are at the lower stage. So do you have something of such sort?
Yes. So, as per the World Economic Forum list, so there is a benchmarks for each and every key performance metrics. And with our experience, like 7+ years of experience, we have done like 100+ digital transformation projects. So we have like a metrics, like for example, what will be the factory overall output to be, and what will be the individual machine productivity, what will be the energy consumption. So we have a different metrics. So we will be sharing with you like what will be the benchmark and what will be the best in class and where you need to be. So those metrics we have.
So just to extend that same part, it will be in comparison to the similar type of industry what we are looking at, right?
Correct. Yeah.
So like, see, we will be managing around say 800 to 900 SKUs with different variety of changes, etc. So that will definitely impact the dynamics of OE.
Yes, because if there is a same kind of vertical industries, but the process inside your shop floor, it will be different. So based on that, we can able to have like a metrics in place, and we can move forward towards achieving that metrics.
Great, thanks.
Yeah, thank you.